Who do you? Oh, you play Grace like on Monday, don't you? Where's your away game this week?
That's the target.
Hey, have you seen those? Remember in that
I know they're
This
terrible.
last day, I mean, even last night they
Sure,
were
it's filthy.
You need to
Building
get
the
yourself
charge.
a propane storage.
Let them work.
It'd be better than what you got now. I mean, there's peace in there now.
Here, you want to help me tape it up?
Yeah, give me a second. I'm recording it.
In some sporting goods places, you can buy the big jugs of, like I noticed at Jay's Sporting Goods, you could. Like it's a big jug of powder. You probably save money by buying it like that.
Okay, where's the tape?
Is that the side over there?
Yes. Here we go.
Do you know, Matt?
We got next week we got Grass Lake at the village. And then Wednesday we're playing East Jack.
That's right.
Hey, what if just a 12-point buck just comes through?
Oh, that
That's
buck
why I
would be
just made
decimated.
food right now
We gotta
I
play
never
at
know.
Napoleon.
Those ball bearings would go straight through if not lodged.
Second game at
because I
Napoleon.
babysit.
So I'll go around 3 times.
180 field.
That's how we keep the can shut.
This team has 9 freaking coaches. For a 12-year competitive baseball team.
9 coaches?
Basically everybody that's on teams, dad's coach.
Yes.
Well-
We have to order everyone who's coaching.
Oh, right.
And then we're in the 4th. He's in the 4th of July.
Okay.
Don't we gotta get the fuse?
So, Doug,
Cut us off a piece of fuse. Where'd you just cut that with, Brian?
Hanover hosts the stupid.
There's a pain in the butt too.
tournament and no one.
That's not the open one.
You have to figure out how many wheels out of that.
How many inches?
Nice and straight, man.
Let me help you.
Hey, Benny, always stand off to the side. Because if something was to go wrong, and that blew off the end and drive
Abby,
into your
move.
truck, you'd be done.
You're so tiny, you go flying. Yeah, you wouldn't be getting out of that water.
Well, I got to find.
Ooh, I want to do that.
Fuse is already being made.
I want to put it in.
Well, he's gotta poke the powder charge that we put in there a few minutes ago.
Here, just give it to him. He'll put it in there.
Say cheese.
No,
Why not?
that's mean.
Uh,
Now it's got some broken ribs.
It's been long enough.
putting in the charge.
If you were under duress and getting attacked, I would recommend hosing.
Is there any fish in there?
If so, very few.
I planted fathead minnows in there. There's a bunch of them in there.
Wait till that baby grows
I
up.
remember the Big Nine now and go out there catfish.
Oh, you're a member of the Big Nine?
There's big cats out there.
Is there?
Big cats.
Big catfish?
60 pounders.
No way.
Yeah.
No shit.
Go down
The
to,
guy's been catching them somewhere and he always catches them and then brings them and drops them in.
Oh, he does? Oh, probably over to Litchfield.
He's been doing it for years.
Oh, really?
And now they're pulling 30 and 40 pounders out of there. He's put a couple in there that were 60 pounds though.
I wonder if
He
he got
planted them in.
at Catfish Acres. I wonder if that's where he caught them.
Oh, they're big though.
Huh.
So you know they're breeding by
Do
now.
they still catch the crappies over there? Like the last couple of years, I remember fishing over there.
We caught a 28, 30-inch pike off the dock the other day.
Oh, you did?
got him
That's a pretty good one, huh?
One of the guys down
homemade
there,
cannons.
he was bragging
Best.
to me, and I talked to one of the other guys.
Best
The guy that
invention
did it's
ever.
not even a member.
Hmm.
We went out there about 4 or 5 years ago, and he just, all summer long. That's all he did was go out there pike fishing.
Oh, he did?
And he just slaughtered them
Oh, I reckon.
and just ruined the pike population.
Oh, right.
Excuses in.
Hey, back up
Gotta
one
get
more time,
to
Brian.
a safe distance. Oh yeah, that is way off.
For my reenactment I'm gonna put me that, I got an old flat bottom boat behind my shed that leaks like a sieve. I'm gonna dress it up like a ironclad. I'm gonna float her out there, I'm gonna set her on the bottom. It'll be pretty sweet, huh?
You gotta have like a couple fires going in already to make it look dramatic. Like put a couple little pots in there, like coffee cans on fire and stuff.
And then sink it. Is this where
And
you
then
guys
maybe
do
put
your reenactments
Maybe
here?
put tannerite
I'll have
in that,
it,
so
yeah.
when you do hit it, it just blows.
Blows out.
Is this where you guys? Is this where you guys do your reenactments?
Oh, I haven't done one yet, but I'm gonna.
It's
Who
here.
wants to
though?
do it?
I do. Please.
I play with
I'll
lighters.
tell you what, the only fair way to do this is to flip a coin. Who's got a coin?
Not me.
Ooh, I'll
Wait, I
flip
got a
you.
Please,
coin.
I'm recording. I
You
want
flip me.
No,
Okay,
let's flip.
here we go.
Let's
Who's
flip
calling
the,
it? Calling it in the air. Who's calling it?
I'll call it.
Okay, call it in the air.
Tails.
It's heads.
Dang. Please. No. Please. Please. Please.
Okay.
I'll light it.
Now you light it and you go back over on the other side of the van.
Okay.
Sprint like you're in baseball.
I wouldn't stand right there, Barney. I mean, that's if that plug comes. Maybe
Okay.
get behind the car just a little bit, Matt.
Wait.
I got a videotape where it's hit. Here, I wanna see it.
Same. But I gotta get to a safe distance.
How about right here?
I'm gonna hide behind this tree.
Well, maybe.
It-
Maybe at the front of the car.
Okay. Ah! My ears are ringing.
There's no way to tell where you hit.
I hear a noise. He hit right over there.
Looks like there's somewhere in the water. That was in the middle of the water. You can see where it hit the trees going around it.
Yeah, there should be a bunch of them holes through them limbs.
Oh, you got a damn fish out here. You killed them all.
I want to check out them limbs. I bet you them ball bearings go right through them.
They
trees.
do.
I don't want to.
Guys, look for the tin foil that we put the powder charge in. Well, this is going on YouTube, definitely. Ow! My foot. Nice.
Don't get Johnny Lawman over here after me.
It's right there.
Oh, they don't know where this place is. Don't ever find it.
Oh, here's one. Here's one that went. Look at this one come in right here and blew out this side.
Let me see.
Right through that tree. So you figure
Yeah.
that tree's like 3 inches in diameter. It'd probably.
Yeah, it hit right here. And then it hit way up here. It hit way
Oh,
up
I'm
here.
sure there's frogs.
You see way up there?
Oh, yeah.
Crap.
Yeah.
I busted a hole in.
Yeah.
Oh, look it knocked the center out of my target. Dang, I just bought that target too. Oh well.
And not just Dad. Dad. Hey, can I have that tip foil thing?
There's another one up there from when we shot it. Ah, my leg again.
What happened?
Again, I hit my leg. Now.
Right here.
Yeah.
You're gonna keep it home, or you're gonna take it home. What are you gonna do with it?
Homemade cannon fire.
I'm gonna end up picking it up.
But it's a lot funner shooting solid projectiles. Like, that way you
I
get.
wonder how you could. You need to figure out a way to shoot paintball.
Those paintballs would be decimated before they even got out of the barrel.
Not
dried
not
out.
if you had them packed right.
Dad.
What? Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh?
That'd be a cool paintball war if we were to do that.
Yeah, it would.
No.
Have like a team over there, a team over there. And
You're just a solo man
Have
team.
like paintballs so you could like shoot them in the wood and see what kind of
Pattern you
scatter.
get. That's the thing. I don't think shoot probably before it gets that in trees, it's probably huge. Huh?
That's why I wanted to be behind it, but there was so much smoke. There was no way. You'd have to have a camera down there,
Oh. Yeah.
out in front of the smoke.
Oh, thank you.
Well,
Ain't nothing funner than
next-
blowing stuff up.
here's
Next time you do it, we'll bring over another camera. We'll set the camera down there, like behind the tree, pointing out so you see.
Oh, right. Then you. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
the camera might be annihilated.
I need to I need a tennis
Yeah.
ball. What I've been using is a tennis ball filled with concrete. That's not as heavy as that pop bottle.
You try just shooting with that.
Yeah.
That'd be an extreme game of baseball.
Well, we was thinking about that, but
We batter up.
You can have
Strike one.
and,
Hit by a pin. You're dead.
That would suck if you got hit by a pitch. Imagine using real baseballs.
No, softball's even worse.
No, baseball's
Oh,
harder
it
than
ended up in the woods
softball.
over there.
A shot put
You don't
balls.
think you could hit it?
That would suck.
Hockey